From travel to pets to business to fitness, these YouTube channels have three things in common. They get a lot of views, they make a lot of money with those views, and they don't show a single face.
Maine Coons are very mellow fellows. They're petty in their behaviors, but this keeps them engaged. It offers lots of brilliant hiking, biking, and water sports.
And by the way, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make these type of videos using a platform called InVideo AI, but more on that later. First though, I want you to check out this video about Maine Coons right here that has 3.7 million views. And also, I actually watched this entire video because I have a Maine Coon cat myself. But anyways, imagine if this channel's CPM was $5, meaning they earn $5 for every 1,000 views that their videos produce. That would mean that this one video alone has generated $20,000 for whoever owns this channel. Now, beyond faceless YouTube channels making money through AdSense, they also make money through affiliate links and brand sponsorships. And so if you are someone who thinks that the only way to be successful on YouTube is to show your face, there are thousands of YouTube channels that do not show their faces that absolutely disprove that. And if anything, faceless YouTube channels have the potential to earn even more income than a channel that has a face, because the entire process of creating faceless videos can be automated and done at scale. Now, even though faceless YouTube channels and faceless videos have the potential to earn you $1,000 to $100,000 a month, you still need to write a script, have a video editor, and many of us may not want a robot-sounding voice narrating our videos. Luckily though, I found a platform called InVideo AI, which is basically the ChatGPT of video creation. It can create full-blown YouTube videos with a single prompt, but beyond this, it can now make videos in your own voice. So you don't even need to write, read, record any script. This is the latest technology in AI, and it's going to absolutely blow your mind. So let me go to my desk and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So the first thing that you want to do is create your account within InVideo AI. Once inside the platform, you'll want to click on the Voices plugin. Once you're in, you can have the option to submit a 30-second sample, giving InVideo AI the permission to clone your voice. So I'm going to record my sample right now. Hi, my name is Vanessa, and I give InVideo AI the permission to use my voice. Today is February 27th, it's 3:14 p.m., and I am just feeling so grateful for life. I cannot believe technology has advanced so much to the point where I can actually create videos using my own voice without me needing to script or without me needing to record it myself. I'm really excited for the potential of AI, and I'm curious to see how creators run with this type of technology. Now that I'm done recording my sample, I'm going to drop my voice into the platform. Check off all the boxes, and wait for InVideo to analyze my voice. Now, while my voice is processing, a cool thing that you can do is actually name your voice. This is really useful, especially if you plan on using multiple voices. For me, I'm going to name my voice Vanessa's voice. Now that we've provided our voice, the next thing is to write a detailed prompt on what you want your video to be. The more detailed it is, the better your video is going to turn out. In my case, I'm going to create a YouTube channel that is filled with positive affirmations coming from me. And so this is my prompt. Create a 3-minute YouTube video with 5 motivational and positive affirmations for people who have anxiety around money. Include vivid and creative examples to illustrate your points. Be soothing and meditative. Add motivational yet soothing and calm background music. Use Vanessa's voice for the voiceover. Now let's see what InVideo AI will generate based on this prompt. Once InVideo AI is done analyzing your prompt, it's going to ask you 3 questions. Who do you want to target? What's the look and feel of the video? And which platform are you posting on? In my case, I want to target anxiety sufferers. The vibe is going to be minimalist Zen, and the platform is going to be YouTube. Now, all we have to do is wait for InVideo AI to create the actual video. Now that the video is done processing, let's take a peek at what InVideo AI came up with.
Do you ever find yourself consumed with worry about money, even when you know logically there's no immediate cause for concern?
Dude, this literally sounds exactly like me.
You're not alone. It's called financial anxiety, a common issue that affects many. There are strategies, tools, and techniques available to help you manage and even conquer this form of anxiety. Let's dive into 5 affirmations that can help you shift your mindset and reduce your financial anxiety.
Are we watching the same video here? This is insane. This sounds exactly like me.
Affirmation 1, I live in abundance and my needs are always met. It's not about having a lot, it's about knowing there's always more. It's about trust and faith in life's generosity. Affirmation 2, I am capable of making smart financial decisions. Picture a successful entrepreneur starting with nothing more than a brilliant idea and a heart full of determination. Affirmation 4, money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Now let's visualize this.
It even got the part. That's crazy.
We've explored affirmations for abundance, capability, freedom, positivity, and now gratitude. Remember these affirmations and use them to overcome your financial anxiety.
Guys, that was insane. Like, that literally sounded exactly like me. You could have fooled me. You could have fooled me. And it makes me wonder, like, it honestly makes me think that I should probably make videos like this using my voice just for my own meditation journey, because that was amazing. That was so good. Wow. Now, even though I am already really stinking impressed by the quality of this video, I definitely want to show you guys how you can edit the video to make it even better or make it to your style. Now, because I have been on YouTube for 5 years, I know how important the first 30 seconds of the video is. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click edit, and I'm going to actually edit the script to exactly what I want my own voice to say. So this is the hook that InVideo has chosen for me, but I'm going to find a stronger hook using ChatGPT. So I've asked ChatGPT to come up with alternative hooks, and the one that I really like is this one right here. And so I'm going to copy it, go back to my script, delete this hook, and replace it with the one that ChatGPT came up with. I'm also going to modify the next few lines so that the script flows and makes a little bit more sense. And then I'm going to click Apply Changes. Now ChatGPT is working to change the script and redo that part of the video. Now that it's done, let's replay the video and see if those changes were made.
Struggling with the constant stress of money matters? See how changing your mindset can change everything. Remember that you are not alone.
So as you can see, InVideo AI integrated my edits perfectly. Now, the next thing that I want to do to make this video a little bit more engaging is I actually want to add subtitles throughout the entire video. So I'm going to tell InVideo AI to do exactly that. Now, as you can see, subtitles have been now added throughout the entire video. Now, one thing that I don't love about this video is how cartoonish this scene is. And so I'm going to ask InVideo AI to swap this scene with something that's a little bit more realistic. So what I've asked InVideo AI is to change the current stock scene to a video of a person with money. Let's see what it changes to. Now going to that exact same timestamp, you'll notice that InVideo AI has now swapped that stock image with a video. Now with my video, it currently ends like this.
Remember these affirmations and use them to overcome your financial anxiety.
I don't really love how it ends so abruptly, so I'm going to add a call to action at the end for people to subscribe to my YouTube channel if they want more positive affirmations. So this is what I've added as my editing prompt. Add a call to action at the end of the video encouraging viewers to subscribe to my channel for more positive affirmations. Add calming-like nature videos that signal peace, hope, and prosperity. Now this is what InVideo AI came up with for the outro.
Encourage you to practice these affirmations daily. Say them out loud, write them down, or even meditate on them. The more you use them, the more powerful they become. We would also like to invite you to subscribe to our channel for more positive affirmations. Our mission is to help you lead a more positive and prosperous life, and we promise to deliver regular content that aids you on this journey. So, subscribe now and join us on this transformative journey towards financial peace and abundance.
So as you can see, InVideo AI knew exactly what I was talking about, but the one thing I didn't love is this random image right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this image with a photo of my own channel by clicking Edit, clicking on the stock image that I want to replace, and then clicking Upload Media. I'm now going to replace the image with my own and apply the changes.
Journey. So subscribe now and join us on this
So as you can see, InVideo AI swapped that stock image with my very own media, which is what makes this technology so exciting because not only can you be completely hands-off, but you also have a lot of creative control in terms of what you want the video to say and what you want the video to show. So you can make it even personalized to you. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna ask InVideo AI for one more favor by condensing this video into a 1-minute clip so I can show you a quick sample of what the final result of this video looks like. As you can see, it is now creating a brand new script. Now that I've condensed the video down, let me show you a sample of what the video looks like.
Struggling with financial anxiety? Remember, you're not alone and it can be managed. Let's quickly go through 5 affirmations to help you change your mindset and reduce your financial anxiety. Affirmation 1, I live in abundance and my needs are always met. Just like a fruit-bearing tree, you too can constantly produce and attract wealth. Affirmation 2, I am capable of making smart financial decisions. Just like a successful entrepreneur, you too have the power within you to handle your money wisely. Affirmation 3, I am creating a life of financial freedom. Just like a bird, you too are on a journey towards financial liberation. Affirmation 4, money flows to me easily and effortlessly. When we cultivate positive beliefs about money, wealth flows to us naturally. Affirmation 5, I am thankful for the wealth and prosperity in my life. Thank you for watching our quick guide on affirmations to soothe your money anxiety. We encourage you to practice these affirmations daily. Subscribe to our channel for more positive affirmations. Together, we can lead a more positive and prosperous life. Remember, your mind is the key to financial peace and abundance.
One thing you should know about InVideo AI is even though I created this amazing video using my own voice, you can also use any voice that you want. For example, if we were to go back in time, we could actually not use Vanessa's voice, and instead I could have changed the prompt to use a woman's calming voice to narrate the video. And so you can get really specific on what type of voice you might want, even if it's not yours. Now at this point, since I'm pretty happy with the video, the next thing that I can do is to export the video. Once your video is exported, InVideo AI will also come up with a description for your YouTube channel and also have the chapters already done. Now to take things a step further with AI, I've gone to ChatGPT to ask for potential titles for this video. For me, I'm gonna choose the second one, which is Find Financial Peace, Daily Affirmations to Ease Money Worries. Next, I've also gone ahead to use ChatGPT to create a thumbnail for my video. And as you can see, ChatGPT came up with this beautiful thumbnail right here. Now I've gone ahead to upload the video I created with InVideo AI, I've added the title that ChatGPT gave me, and I've copied the description that InVideo AI provided me, including all the chapters. And plus, I've updated the thumbnail with the image that I made with ChatGPT. And so as you can see, in less than 10 minutes, I just created my own faceless video using InVideo AI and also using other AI tools to do the work for me. The best part is that this video is in my own voice and many people would probably think that I made this video myself. I also love how I was able to customize certain elements and also make it my own. The crazy thing is that you can use this type of technology in so many other niches. For instance, you can create faceless videos about travel, about history, about health and wellness, entrepreneurship, animals, social media, motivation. The list goes on and the opportunities are endless. Beyond this, if you are someone who is very specific on what you want the video to say, you can upload your own script and InVideo AI will create the video for you. You can also create short form videos with InVideo AI as well. In fact, there are tons of AI generated short form videos that are blowing up right now on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. And if videos like this with robot-like voices are getting so many views on social media,
blood sugar drops immediately. This tea recipe is a real treasure. We will need 1 lemon and 1 orange and wash with baking soda.
Imagine what can happen if you create similar videos to this, but using your own voice instead.
And did you guys know that InVideo AI has a mobile app as well? You can do the exact same things that I did on desktop right on mobile. So for example, let's do a YouTube short. I'm going to give some detail on what my short is going to be about. Specifically, we're going to make a 30-second video on how to lose body fat for women in a healthy yet effective way. Have the intro address a pain point. The overall mood for the video should be motivating yet authoritative. The pacing of the video should be fast. The aim of the video is to educate. We're going to want a female voice. And now I can select any voice that I want. For me, because I already saved my own voice, I'm going to select my voice. I want to add subtitles, and as you can see, there are tons of options for subtitles. I'm going to do the standard yellow subtitle that shows up word for word, and then we are going to use iStock normally. Now let's generate the video and see what happens. As you can see, it asks the 3 same questions. I'm going to pick women. The look and feel is going to be inspiring, and then the platform is going to be YouTube Shorts.
Struggling with stubborn body fat, shed it the healthy way. First, incorporate whole foods into your daily meals. Second, regular exercise, mix cardio and strength training. Third, get a good night's sleep. It's crucial for metabolism. Lastly, stay hydrated. Remember, it's a journey, not a race.
Similar to what I showed you on desktop, you can edit the video within mobile using the same edit prompts I did and more. For example, you can delete certain scenes, you can remove subtitles, you can change the voice, and so much more. Now, if you're happy with the video, you can simply export the video, and then from there you can download it on your phone directly.
With stubborn body fat.
Now you have a copy of your video that you can upload directly to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts.
And regardless of how you feel about AI, AI is happening no matter what, and it is disrupting the creator space. Currently, there are no other video creation tools that offer this type of technology, so this is your opportunity to get ahead of the curve. The best part is that you can get started with InVideo AI for free. But if you are a serious creator, you want to export your videos without the watermark, and you want to access millions of royalty-free videos, then I highly recommend that you upgrade to the paid plan, which is only $20 a month. Imagine for just $20 a month, your faceless videos can earn you thousands of dollars per year. Not to mention, if you were to buy every single royalty-free video on your own, or if you were to hire a video editor, it would absolutely cost you way more than $20 a month. Trust me. And so if you are a creator who wants to save time, save money, and even make money, then click the link in my description box to check out InVideo AI. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys, and take care.